Here's the point. Government cannot force this upon business. Government must stay out of business. I wish they hear this. You have no place in business, government. You cannot interfere in business because business is not in business to please you, Mr. Government. We are in business for the sake of business. And when we do business, then we employ people, the best person for the job, regardless of the color of the person. We look for talent, always. When people sit in front of me, I will always appoint the best person of the job, whether it's a man or a woman, and regardless of the race. But you cannot tell me how many of what I must employ. Government cannot do it, and I don't understand it. Now, what government has done, the state, government departments, they comply, they are fully transformed, but they fail. Spectacular. The entire government service is a mess. I mean, they cannot fix a pothole. Everything is falling apart. Now they want to do what they've done with government departments. They want to enforce that on the private sector. That is impossible. I tell you what, people will go to jail for this, but they're not going to do it. It is impossible.